Okay, so we're installing vinyl plank. This is a floating floor, and it took me a couple of courses to figure out the technique that worked. There wasn't anything on YouTube that was really helpful. The trick is having set the groove on the short end as close to the long edge as you can, but without doing any of the long edge. So as we're doing here, we lift up, we get it set, we lower that. We've got a couple of weights over here to help keep the plank that we've already done more or less in place. And then we can lift the plank that we're working on and lifting a little bit of the plank that we've already done to the 30-degree angle that you need to install the long edge. So then my son Peter here is going to tap it in while I guide. Go ahead, Peter. It slots right in, and then you just set the rest, lower it down, and then bring your weights over to keep that joint that you just did. And then it's on to the next one, same technique. You set the short end, lower that down so that it's locked, then lift, Peter taps, and then
Use one of these.
wiggle the rest of that long edge in and lower it down. Easy as pie.